Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to your weekly root chakra reading here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. If you'd like to get a personal reading with me, you are more than welcome to. My website is listed below in the description box where you can go to do the booking. So our root chakra, this is our base. This card on the right is going to be speaking on behalf of it. The one on the left is a message to help the energy of the root chakra from the earth heart chakra. I see here that there may be some issues about maternity. You may be thinking about your own presence as a mother, if you're a mother, or your own mother, or if you're in a partnership with someone that is the mother role, their qualities here. And I feel like there's some sort of dynamic going on with children, maybe to a certain degree as well. The honesty coming from them, their loyalty. So this could be a heavy topic for you at this time. And it does seem to be kind of a temporary thing. There's something about this cycle, I think, because we may be going, not everyone, but some of us are going into the cooler times of the year where we may be spending more time indoors. We may be, around one another more, and this may be bringing up more conflict because of that. I see that there could be questions about really the role of a child in relation to what's going on with housework or, just chores, I guess we could say. If this is not your scenario, this may be your own inner child feeling like you have some rebellious tendencies there, not enjoying the day-to-day tasks of doing things. And you may need to, if you're experiencing that, change it up. Find a way of integrating these tasks in a way that seem more playful, that have more adventure in them. Like just simple things by putting on maybe a good podcast or some music to listen to, changing an environment for the task if you can. Or maybe even having other people around you, if you can invite other people in this space to kind of mix it up. But yeah, I see that there's basically a real need to relax and feel that, you can enjoy the day-to-day things in life without having them feel like they're necessarily just tasks. They are part of the quality of your life. Now I'm going to look for any additional messages. And I'm hearing it's like you're taking care of your heart, like you realize that it needs to be functioning, it needs to be alive and well, and that is very important. It's not like you're trying to block anything off and protect it, but yet you are caring for it like a mother would. A mother has that really paradoxical thing going, where they give you freedom, yet they still have control. It's that type of energy, like mothering your own heart. I feel as if you may have thoughts of like romance, like romantic love, kind of loosely about you as well. you may be entertaining what that means in relation to your heart as well, like how important the idea of romance is relative to love, just like play is relative to a chore or something. What makes something even more fun? You take, or what makes something maybe that gets too routine more fun? How do you always keep a sense of play and fun and joy and excitement alive in something? And that's what wants to come through. So we are going to end there. Tomorrow we will do these sacral chakra readings. So join in for that if you feel like it. Please take care.